Hello, I'm Coin유niverse. In this video, I'll teach you everything you need to know about Binance. You are going to learn how to trade spot and margin on Binance. But before we begin, here is a free discount. You can check the link in the description below. And if you need me to explain how to, please check the link on the top. Let's get into the tutorial.
Spot trading.
A spot trade is a simple transaction between a buyer and a seller to trade at the current market rate, known as the spot price. The trade takes place immediately when the order is fulfilled. The users can prepare spot trades in advance to trigger when a specific spot price is reached, known as a limit order. You can make spot trades on Binance through the trading page interface. Then let's make a spot trade on the Binance. Get into the Binance website and click on Login at the top right corner. Click on any cryptocurrency on the home page to go directly to the corresponding spot trading page. You can find a larger selection by clicking here. Like this. Then you will see the pop-up. Click here. Click here. Check the box I accept the terms of use. And click on Confirm. I'll shortly let you know what it is and what that is. Binance announcements. Trading volume of trading pair in 24 hours. Sell order book. Buy order book. Candlestick chart and market depth. Market and trading pairs. Your latest completed transaction. Trading type, spot, cross margin, isolated margin. Type of order, limit, market, stop limit, OCO. Buy cryptocurrency. Sell cryptocurrency. Market activities, large fluctuation, activities in market trading. Open orders, your 24 hours order history. Binance customer service. Let's look at buying some BNB. At the top of the Binance homepage, click on the Trade option and select Classic or Advanced. Click here. And go to the buying section to buy BNB and fill in the price and the amount for your order. Click on Buy BNB to complete the transaction. You can follow the same steps to sell BNB.
Margin trading.
Margin trading is a method of trading assets using funds provided by a third party. When compared to regular trading accounts, margin accounts allow traders to access greater sums of capital, allowing them to leverage their positions. Essentially, margin trading amplifies trading results so that traders can realize larger profits on successful trades. This ability to expand trading results makes margin trading especially popular in low volatility markets, particularly the international forex market. Still, margin trading is also used in stock, commodity, and cryptocurrency markets. In traditional markets, the borrowed funds are usually provided by an investment broker. In cryptocurrency trading, however, funds are often provided by other traders, who earn interest based on market demand for margin funds. Although less common, some cryptocurrency exchanges also provide margin funds to their users. So basically, you can borrow funds to perform leverage trading, which amplifies both profit and risk. Then let's make a margin trade on the Binance. Log into your Binance account and hover over Trade, click on Margin. Search for a trading pair and scroll down to the trading panel. You can choose cross or isolated. I will trade in isolated this time. Click on Isolated 10x. Click on Transfer to transfer collateral to or out of your margin account. In the Transfer pop-up window, confirm the transfer from your fiat and spot wallet to your isolated margin wallet. Select the coin and enter the amount, then click on Confirm. Or, if you want to borrow collateral, click on Borrow. In the Borrow, Repay pop-up window, choose the pair and coin to borrow. Enter the amount and confirm the hourly interest rate. Click on Confirm Borrow. After transferring or borrowing collateral, you can start trading. Choose the order type, limit, market, OCO, or stop limit, and trading method, normal, borrow, or repay. Enter the buy or sell price and amount, then click on Buy, Sell BTC. You can also select automatic borrowing or automatic repayment to carry out margin buy or Margin sell. After realizing your profit, you can repay your debt by clicking on Borrow. In the Borrow, Repay pop-up window, switch to the Repay tab. Select the coin and enter the amount to repay, then click on Confirm Repayment. Please note that you must repay using the same coin you borrowed for your cross-isolated margin trading. For example, if you borrow 10 BTC, you need to repay 10 BTC or plus interest.
What's the difference between isolated and cross?
Isolated margin mode allows traders to restrict the amount of margin allocated to each position and only the balance used as margin gets liquidated. However, in the event the market oppositely moves 1%, the position would be easily liquidated. In cross margin, unrealized losses from trades can use the margin balance of the cross margin account to ensure they aren't liquidated, allowing losing trades to be open for longer and possibly turn into a winning trade. But it is easier to lose the whole account balance in cross-margin mode. Because the whole cross-margin account balance will be used by open positions. I hope you got your full value for today. If you need more tutorials, please like and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, leave them down. I will reply and have a chat with you.